10. Health benefits of green peas. Many people think peas are just a poor man's meat or a cheap restaurant side dish that puts green on your plate. Peas are really little powerhouses of nutrition that are a boon for your health and the whole planet. Read all their benefits, how to use them properly, and some easy recipes. We start with the benefits of this tasty power food. 1. Weight management. Peas are low-fat but high everything else. A cup of peas has less than 100 calories but lots of protein, fiber, and micronutrients. 2. Stomach cancer prevention. Peas contain high amounts of a health protective polyphenol called coumestrol. A study in Mexico City determined you only need 2 milligrams per day of this phytonutrient to prevent stomach cancer. A cup of peas has at least 10. 3. Anti-aging, strong immune system, and high energy. This comes from the high levels of antioxidants including flavonoids, carotenoid, phenolic acids, polyphenols. 4. Prevention of wrinkles, Alzheimer's, arthritis, bronchitis, osteoporosis and candida. These come from peas' strong anti-inflammatory properties. Excess inflammation has also been linked to heart disease, cancer, and aging in general. These properties include pisumsaponins IN2 and pisomosides A and B are anti-inflammatory phytonutrients found almost exclusively in peas. Vitamin C and vitamin E, and a good amount of the antioxidant mineral zinc. Omega-3 fat in the form of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. 5. Blood sugar regulation. High fiber slows and protein slows down how fast sugars are digested. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory prevent or reverse insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes. All carbohydrates are natural sugars and starches with no white sugars or chemicals to worry about. 6. Heart disease prevention. The many antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds support healthy blood vessels. The formation of plaque along our blood vessel walls starts with chronic, excessive oxidative stress and inflammation. The generous amounts of vitamin B1 and folate, B2, B3, and B6 reduce homocysteine levels which are risk factor for heart disease. 7. Healthy for the environment. Peas work with bacteria in the soil to fix nitrogen from the air and deposit it in the soil. This reduces the need for artificial fertilizers since one of their main ingredients is nitrogen. After peas have been harvested, the remaining plant easily breaks down to create more organic fertilizer for the soil. Peas are also able to grow on minimal moisture, so they are a perfect crop in many areas not needing irrigation or using up valuable water supplies. 8. Prevent constipation. The high fiber content in peas improves bowel health and peristalsis. 9. Healthy bones. Just 1 cup of peas contain 44% of your vitamin K, which helps to anchor calcium inside the bones. Its B vitamins also help to prevent osteoporosis. 10. Reduces bad cholesterol. The niacin in peas helps reduce the production of triglycerides and VLDL, very low-density lipoprotein, which results in less bad cholesterol, increased HDL cholesterol, and lowered triglycerides. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.